Hello everybody. I don't know what's happening. This is a beautiful, wonderful bonsai. When I first saw this, my mom got it. She got it from IKEA, she said. And the last time I visited her, she said, "Look at my beautiful bonsai that is not very beautiful right now." And looking at it, can you see this? This looks like spider mites. I don't know the first thing about bonsai. I have been researching it online, and she put eggshells in it. I'm pretty sure she was overwatering it. Again, I don't know the first thing about bonsai, but in watching the videos and learning from the experts, this guy right here has hope. Okay, not gonna touch anything except for treat the spider mites that I'm seeing. Look at that. That's spider mites. It's pretty dry, but look how beautiful this thing is. It looks like a man sitting with his arms crossed across his leg. So I'm gonna try to do the best that I can for this plant according to how I feel and to how the plant feels. I can't really see that much right now because I don't have my glasses on, but I will set this up so that you can see better and I can see better. All right, this is how it's gonna go. I'm gonna have to clean her up. There's a lot of dust on the leaves. I don't know if these leaves are going to stay on or not, but it cannot photosynthesize if there's a lot of dust on the leaves. So that's the first thing we need to get done, is to remove the dust. I don't know what plant this is, but I'm thinking it might be a ficus. Maybe. Then I'm gonna get rid of all of these eggshells. This is old soil. Feels very wet. Not very wet, but so moist. And I haven't watered this since Saturday. What's today? Wednesday. I haven't touched this since Saturday. And of course I was distracted, so now there's so much soil everywhere. It's a beautiful tree. Looks like something has been taken off there. It's still alive, so there's plenty of hope for it. I'm just gonna let the leaves fall off on their own. I'm just gonna have to give it a lot of love. This tree needs a lot of love. So it should be gritty. I can start by just paying attention to the overall health of this plant. It looks like there's a lot of calcium deposit on the side. It didn't get any rainwater, which is what the bonsais are supposed to get. rainwater or water that has been sitting, tap water that's been sitting out for 24 hours. It looks like there's a lot of calcium deposit or lime deposit from the water that it's been given in the past. I need a paintbrush. Maybe this paintbrush would be good. Take this out. I'm very tempted to just get rid of all that soil because it may have spider mite eggs in it. You just never know. And let me see what I have as far as dressing or substrate for this thing. There's a crack right there. I don't know what happened to that crack, if it's been there or not. I gotta see what I have. I'm going to spritz it with, it's a combination of soap, tepid water, and neem oil. So let me spritz everywhere. And that should do it for now. Now she is parked right here. I'm going to try to take as much soil as I can out of that, leave maybe 50% as recommended. And I cleaned thoroughly the bowl and the basket that it goes into, and then I sprayed it with alcohol. So there's not going to be any reason whatsoever that this is contaminated. And tomorrow I'm going to take as much soil out as I can, maybe leaving about 30 to 50%, just to give it. This new leaf is pretty happy. Hi guys. Look at this guy. Apparently I forgot to film everything, but you know me, if you want to look at some of the things that I've done before to repot plants, you would know that I would use bark perlite and charcoal that I cut into little pieces, and also some peat moss, but just the fast draining soil that I use for the cactus, for the succulents. And he seems pretty happy. I named him Albert because it's Albert Einstein with the hair. Although his hair has been falling out, that's okay because I think that he is starting to recover because all of the spider mites have been gone, and I see new growth right there. Right there. And some over here as well. So I know this plant is going to recover, and I keep feeling the soil. Today she's very dry, or no, it's still wet. So I'm not going to water it today. And seems pretty happy in this airy bright light. So I have been just plucking out the dead leaves and then leaving whatever else is there that's still alive, because that does suck up energy. So this has been here for a week so far, and he seems to be very happy. He's got new glasses on that I made just for him. Anyway, there you go. That's my bonsai for today, little man. And make sure you hit the thumbs up button and comment, do everything to help a sister out. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.